everybody, Caitlyn Shea MUA here. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. New setup, because, you know, why not? I changed my whole room around. My bed is now in my front windows. Used to be like in the corner over there. Thinking I might do a room tour. If you want to see that, comment down below, room tour. Favorite emoji, I don't know. I want to show you what I've been doing for the past few weeks. I have been doing like simple makeup, simple for me, come on. So I wanted to show you that. But hey, if you're not subscribed, hit that button below. Just hit subscribe. I'm trying to do more different types of videos, fashion videos, lifestyle. I am going to keep the MUA in my name. I thought about it going back to Caitlyn Shea, but I love Caitlyn Shea MUA so much. And it's like on all of my social medias, which I will leave right here. Follow me, let's be best friends. And yeah, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and let's do my makeup. Let's do my makeup together. What would be a Caitlyn Shea MUA video without me chugging on coffee? Alright, let's get into it. So the night before, I usually put all the makeup that I'm going to use in this Kate Spade bag. It's just a regular makeup bag that I think I got from Marshall's for like 25 bucks. They might have it, I'm not sure. Just moisturize my lips with the Burt's Bees Beeswax Lip Balm with vitamin E and peppermint, 100% natural. So I just put that on, and I have two skincare products I've been using. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but I will put a little picture of it around here somewhere. It's an acne control. I got it in an influencer box. It's acne control rapid relief acne spot treatment. A lot comes out, so I just take what's on like the actual applicator and just swirl it around. I had this in a haul like a few months ago, but I got a new one. This will be in a upcoming haul, a collective haul. It is day cream, and this, I didn't think I would be able to find this moisturizer again, and I am so happy I did. Next, I put on my primer, which is the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Color Corrector for dark circles. Some days I use this, the L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible Pro Glow in 201 Classic Ivory, but today I'm not really feeling it. And you're probably thinking, what world? I have been going for the simple makeup look. So I've been using concealers for foundation. And this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in 01 Classic Ivory. And then I go in with the Physicians Formula Conceal RX Physician Strength Concealer. And then I go in with the HD Pressed Finishing Powder in Brightening Vanilla from Absolute New York. And then I'm gonna go with my Milani powder foundation, like I always do. Going in with the Kat Von D for contouring. It's Juicy Multicolor Blush Brick by Silk & Glory. And I've been loving this, and this is in the color Apricot Jam. Now on to highlighter. You guys know that's my favorite part. Oldie but goodie, Too Faced Candlelight Glow in Rosy Glow. And then another favorite, Fenty highlighter in Lightning Dust in Fire Crystal. So back, the brows were very, very difficult. I should have timed how long it took me to do them. Now on to the eyes. I have not been using eyeliner, especially liquid eyeliner. Shock? Yeah. I've only been using the Sweet Peach palette mascaras. They're both MAC. I go in with Peaches and Cream and Georgia. Yeah. I'm gonna go in with Pure. And I'm just gonna put that on the outer. And then I think I'm gonna go in with Summer Yum and deepen up the crease just a little bit more. And now I'm gonna go underneath my eye and just put all those browns together. Now, I think for the lid, I'm going to go in with Nectar and Luscious. And I just put my finger in them because that gives off the more pigment, just in my own opinion. I'm done with the palette. I'm going to go in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Cottage Cheese. And just put that in the inner corner. Just like blend that in to brighten up the eyes. And then, come on, you guessed it, to highlight my eyes, I'm going to use the Fenty highlighter. Mascara, and then we're almost done. I feel like this takes much longer on film than it does. Yeah, it does usually take much longer. Anyways, I'm going to start off with the MAC Black Extreme. Now on to Upward Lash Upward Black by MAC. done with the mascara. And the lip that I've been going towards lately. This is the CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte in Ballerina, 305 Ballerina. So that is my everyday makeup routine. Those are the products that I've been using every day, and I hope you liked it. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, which is basically the same thing. Hit that subscribe button right here below the video, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.